Did you know that during the American Civil War and World War I, a common garden flower played a crucial role on the battlefield, not as a decoration, but as a life-saving remedy? In the chaos and urgency of war, when medical supplies ran dangerously low, soldiers and medics turned to the natural world for help. Among the chaos, the marigold flower emerged as an unexpected hero. Soldiers and field doctors would carefully gather the bright petals of the marigold flower and use them to dress wounds. These petals weren't just a last resort. They actively helped prevent infection and speed up healing, thanks to their natural antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. In a time before antibiotics, marigold was a vital tool for survival, offering hope and healing when little else was available. This humble flower, which many of us plant to keep pests away from our vegetables, actually holds a powerful secret within its golden petals, a secret that modern science is only now beginning to fully appreciate. The marigold's healing abilities go far beyond the garden, reaching into the realm of advanced medicine and skincare. For centuries, marigold has been a staple in traditional medicine cabinets around the world. From the ancient Greeks and Romans, who used it to treat wounds and skin irritations, to healers in India and the Americas, marigold has been trusted for its remarkable healing powers. Its use spans continents and cultures, a testament to its effectiveness and versatility. It's a powerful reminder that sometimes the most effective remedies aren't found in a pharmacy, but are growing right under our noses, in our own backyards. The marigold's vibrant color isn't just beautiful. It's a sign of the potent compounds within, waiting to be discovered and used. The same properties that made marigold invaluable for a soldier's wound can help us with everyday skin issues today. From soothing minor cuts and scrapes to calming irritated skin and reducing redness, marigold is now a key ingredient in many natural skincare products. Its gentle, healing touch is just as relevant now as it was centuries ago. This isn't about replacing modern medicine, but about complementing it with safe, effective, and time-tested natural options. By combining the wisdom of the past with the advancements of today, we can create a more holistic approach to health and healing, one that honors both science and nature. So, the next time you see a vibrant marigold in your garden, don't just admire its beauty. See it as a tiny, natural pharmacy packed with potential, offering a bridge between ancient remedies and modern wellness. In this video, we're going to explore the fascinating science behind this amazing plant, uncovering how its unique compounds can help with common skin conditions and why researchers are so excited about its future in medicine. Let's get into the incredible world of marigold magic and discover how this ancient flower continues to surprise and heal us right from our own gardens. When most of us hear the word marigold, we tend to picture the bright, cheerful flowers commonly found in gardens, which usually belong to the Tagates genus. These are the classic marigolds you might see lining walkways or adding pops of color to flower beds. But when it comes to powerful natural remedies, the true star is actually Calendula officinalis, often called pot marigold. While both tagetes and calendula are called marigold, they're quite different plants with unique properties. Calendula officinalis stands out for its remarkable health benefits. Its petals are loaded with a rich array of active compounds that have been treasured for generations. These vibrant petals, which can range from soft yellow to a deep, fiery orange, are especially prized for their high levels of flavonoids and carotenoids. These are potent antioxidants that help protect our cells from damage, support healing, and even reduce inflammation. For hundreds of years, people have carefully harvested these petals, infusing them into oils, crafting soothing salves, and brewing gentle teas. Calendula's versatility in traditional remedies is truly impressive. Thanks to its unique blend of natural chemicals, calendula has become a favorite ingredient in skincare. It's known for calming irritation, speeding up wound healing, and leaving skin looking healthy and radiant. Long before modern science, our ancestors recognized calendula's healing abilities. Through careful observation and centuries of tradition, they learned how to use it for everything from minor cuts to soothing inflamed skin. Today, scientists are able to validate this ancient wisdom in the lab. By isolating and studying calendula's compounds, researchers are uncovering exactly how these natural ingredients benefit our bodies. This fascinating bridge between age-old herbal knowledge and cutting-edge science is what makes Calendula officinalis so exciting to study and use. So, if you're searching for Marigold to support your health, be sure to choose Calendula officinalis, the variety with the most proven benefits. Its healing power is deeply rooted in both the wisdom of history and the discoveries of modern science, making it a truly unique natural remedy. Now, let's take a closer look at how Calendula can transform your skin and why it's become a staple in natural skincare routines around the world. At the heart of Calendula's benefits lies a remarkable secret that has been cherished for centuries in herbal medicine. This humble flower possesses an incredible ability to fight inflammation, making it a true powerhouse in natural healing. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or irritation, acting as a protective mechanism. But when this response becomes chronic or excessive, it can lead to persistent skin problems like acne, eczema, and even premature aging. Calendula's unique blend of flavonoids and triterpenoids works to calm this overactive response, essentially turning down the body's internal fire alarm and restoring balance to the skin. By reducing inflammation, Calendula soothes redness, swelling, and discomfort, making it an ideal remedy for rashes, burns, and other irritated skin conditions. People often notice a visible reduction in puffiness and irritation after just a few uses. Its anti-inflammatory action doesn't just stop at comfort. Calendula also speeds up wound healing, helping your body rebuild tissue more efficiently and with less risk of scarring. This makes it especially valuable for treating minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. Scientific studies show that Calendula actively promotes the formation of new tissue and blood vessels, supporting the skin's natural repair process and helping it recover faster from damage. So, Calendula isn't just a simple moisturizer, it's a sophisticated biological agent that works in harmony with your body's own healing mechanisms. Its ability to manage inflammation is the key that unlocks many of its other benefits, from soothing sensitive skin to supporting overall skin health and resilience. Whether you're dealing with a sudden breakout, a stubborn dry patch, or a minor burn, Calendula steps in to help your skin heal, restore balance, and maintain its natural glow. It's a beautiful example of how a single plant can work in harmony with our body's own processes, gently guiding the skin back to health. That's why Calendula has become a staple in natural skincare routines around the world, trusted by generations for its gentle yet powerful effects. Next, let's explore how this golden flower tackles one of the most common skin concerns: acne. Acne is an inflammatory condition, often triggered by clogged pores and bacteria. Many treatments are harsh, but Calendula offers a gentler approach. Its natural antimicrobial properties help keep bacteria in check without stripping your skin. Calendula also calms inflammation, reducing redness and swelling in breakouts. Instead of attacking pimples aggressively, it soothes the area and promotes faster healing. Regular use can even help minimize acne scars and dark spots by supporting tissue regeneration and collagen production. Collagen gives your skin structure and elasticity, helping it bounce back after breakouts. Calendula is especially helpful for sensitive skin, cleansing and healing without irritation. It's a gentle, effective ally for clearer, healthier skin. Next, let's see how it helps with rashes and allergies. Your skin's comfort is about to get an upgrade. Itchy rashes can be maddening, but Calendula's soothing properties offer real relief. Its anti-inflammatory effect calms redness, swelling, and the urge to scratch. Applied as a cream or oil, Calendula reduces itch and helps restore the skin's protective barrier. It hydrates dry, irritated skin and shields it while it heals. Calendula is especially helpful for contact dermatitis and minor allergic reactions, like hives or bug bites. Its mild antihistamine-like properties help temper the body's response at the site. A cool Calendula compress or gel can quickly soothe and protect. It's a gentle, effective tool for life's little skin irritations. Chronic conditions like eczema mean dry, itchy, inflamed skin that's easily triggered. Calendula's anti-inflammatory power helps break the itch-scratch cycle, soothing irritation and calming the skin. Its hydrating properties replenish lost moisture, restoring suppleness and resilience. Calendula-infused creams are gentle, free from harsh chemicals, and safe for sensitive skin. Its antimicrobial action helps prevent minor infections from scratching. Calendula is a multifaceted tool. It soothes, hydrates, and protects fragile skin. For those with eczema or dermatitis, it's a supportive friend in daily care. Relief is possible, naturally. Let's look at how you can use it at home. Calendula is easy to use at home. No lab required. Make your own calendula-infused oil. Fill a jar halfway with dried petals. Cover with a carrier oil, and let it infuse on a sunny windowsill for a few weeks. Strain the oil and use it on dry patches, minor cuts, or insect bites. For a richer remedy, melt beeswax with your infused oil to create a healing salve, perfect for chapped lips or dry knuckles. Calendula oil also makes a soothing massage oil or bath addition. These simple remedies bring the power of nature into your daily routine. You control the ingredients, ensuring purity and potency. Calendula's versatility makes it a must-have in your home first aid kit. Start small, experiment, and see what works for your skin. Next, let's explore some traditional uses beyond skincare. Calendula's story goes even deeper. Calendula's uses go far beyond the skin. Traditionally, its petals were used as poor man's saffron to color and flavor food, and as a tea for digestive and menstrual complaints. It was believed to support the liver, soothe sore throats, and help break fevers. Its immune-supportive and anti-inflammatory properties were valued both inside and out. While many internal uses haven't been as thoroughly studied, they're a fascinating part of calendula's history. Always consult a healthcare professional before ingesting any herb for medicinal purposes. Calendula's legacy is holistic healing, inside and out. With so many calendula products on the market, it's important to choose wisely. Look for Calendula officinalis, high on the ingredient list for real medicinal benefits. Creams and lotions are great for daily moisture. Salves and oils work for intensive care. Opt for simple, natural formulations without unnecessary additives. Always do a patch test before using a new product, especially if you have sensitive skin or allergies. If you're allergic to daisies, ragweed, or chrysanthemums, use extra caution. Safety comes first. Listen to your body and proceed with care. Calendula is gentle, but everyone's skin is unique. Choose quality, test carefully, and enjoy the benefits. Now, let's talk about when to seek professional help. Calendula is a wonderful tool for minor skin issues, but it's not a substitute for medical care. If your skin problem is severe, spreading, or not improving, see a doctor or dermatologist. Signs like intense pain, swelling, heat, pus, or a rash with fever or breathing trouble require immediate attention. Skin issues can sometimes signal deeper health problems. Professional guidance is key. Always tell your doctor about any natural remedies you're using. A good healthcare provider will help you integrate safe natural options with medical treatment. Your wellness journey is a team effort. Use Calendula as a complement, not a replacement, for expert care. Your health deserves the best of both worlds. From battlefields to modern skincare, Calendula officinalis proves nature's power to heal. Its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and regenerative properties make it a gentle ally for acne, rashes, and eczema. Use high-quality products, patch test, and consult your doctor for serious concerns. Calendula is just one of many plants with healing potential. Keep exploring and learning. Embrace a balanced approach to wellness, combining ancient wisdom and modern science. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the magic of marigolds. Stay healthy and curious.